Back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how can you turn on and off and restart your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do it, there are a couple of different methods you could try, so make sure to watch this video right till the end. Step number 1 is you could use a physical button. Like other Android and smart, Samsung offers a dedicated power menu to help you power off or reboot your device as well. You could hold on to your side button and that is gonna help you out. After which you could see this option that is power off, restart and all that. Tap the power off from the menu that appears to shut down your Galaxy 24. After which you want to confirm your action by pressing the power off button. And you simply want to go ahead and you could also long tap the power off option to restart the device in a safe mode as well. So this is how you could do it. So the next thing what you also do is you could also long press the physical button on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is configured by default on most Samsung devices and can easily get on your news as well. So you could just go ahead and click on side button settings, and once you actually do it, you'll then be able to see this power off menu. You want to click that out, and once you've actually done it, you will be able to do it. Now similarly, you could either go with power off or restart, and that's how you could do it as well. The other thing you could also do is from the quick settings, you want to simply swipe down. You could see this power button at the top right. You simply want to click that out. There will be a confirmation here. You want to click either power off or restart. That's going to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.